Hurricane Fiona remains a major storm over the Atlantic Ocean, taking aim at Bermuda. The eye of the storm is roughly 500 miles southeast of North Carolina tonight. The eastern shores of the United States could see high waves and strong winds through the end of the week. KBOS Chief Meteorologist Josh Cozart is in the Weather Center with a closer look at the powerful storm. Josh.
Brisa, this is a storm we've been keeping a very close eye on since it developed in the Caribbean islands, moved through Puerto Rico, and now is taking aim at Bermuda. It's a powerful storm, a Category 4. That means the winds sustained around the eye wall are currently at 130 miles per hour. It's moving to the north-northeast at about 21 miles per hour, and as it does so, it will weaken as it moves over some colder water, but that does not mean it's going to be stopping its winds. We're expecting it to make landfall early Sunday morning. That's where we could potentially see winds sustained at 105 miles per hour as it moves onshore to the country of Canada. Now, gale warnings are being issued up and down the eastern seaboard, lasting through Friday evening. Thankfully, there's no direct impacts for our shoreline as the activity really starts to ramp up. September is one of our most active hurricane seasonal months of the year. And that's exactly why we're paying very close attention yet again to the Caribbean islands as we see our next potential storm in the developing stages. We'll be keeping a close eye on this in the days to come. Brisa.